Once upon a time, in the heart of the Enchanted Forest, there lived a wise little squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was known for his cleverness and kindness. One day, a group of forest animals gathered to discuss a problem. They were running out of food for the winter. Nutty, being wise beyond his years, suggested that each animal should contribute something to a communal storage. The birds could bring seeds, the rabbits could bring vegetables, and the deer could share fruits. However, the lazy raccoon named Rascal scoffed at the idea. "Why should I bother collecting food? I can always find something to eat when I'm hungry," he said, lazily swinging on a tree branch. Ignoring the criticism, Nutty, with the help of diligent friends, started gathering food. The industrious ants, the hard-working beavers, and even the busy bees joined in. As winter arrived, the lazy raccoon found himself hungry and cold. He had nothing stored for the harsh days ahead. Desperate, he approached Nutty and asked for help. Nutty, being kind-hearted, shared some of the stored food with Rascal, but also shared a valuable lesson. Hard work and planning for the future may seem tedious, but they ensure a comfortable tomorrow. It's never too late to learn from your mistakes. From that day forward, Rascal changed his ways. He worked alongside the other animals, realizing the importance of preparation and teamwork. And in the Enchanted Forest, they all lived happily ever after, thanks to the wisdom of a little squirrel named Nutty. The moral of the story: hard work and planning for the future lead to prosperity and happiness.